Assalamualaikum. Teacher Anis here. So today, boys and girls, we are going to continue our new topic, Module 6, Food Please. So let's start. Okay, before we move on to our lesson, I want you to learn a few vocabularies that we are going to use for our lesson. Alright, the first one, onions. Onions. Next, lettuce. Lettuce. Chocolate. Chocolate. Biscuits. Biscuits. Sugar. Sugar. Juice. Juice. Flour. Flour. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Carrots. Carrots. Milk. Milk. Eggs. Eggs. Okay, class. The first lesson, we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable. Countable is something that we can count. And uncountable is something that we can count one by one. Okay, let's look at the countable first. So the countable noun is something that we can count. For example, 1 burger, 2 burgers. Okay, let's look at others example. Okay, tomatoes. So we can count 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, and so on. Okay, next, carrots. Okay, we can count 1 carrot, 2 carrots, 10 carrots. Okay, next one, eggs. Okay, we can count 1 egg, 10 eggs, 30 eggs, and so on. Next example, burger. So we can count 1 burger, 2 burgers, 3 burgers. Okay, next one, pineapple. We can count 1 pineapple, 2 pineapples, 10 pineapples. Okay, let's move on to uncountable noun. Okay, uncountable noun, we cannot count the nouns one by one. Okay, for example, sugar. Okay, so sugar, we can't count sugar. So kita tak boleh nak kira sugar. Gula, macam mana kita nak kira gula tu? Okay, satu biji. So we can't count the sugar. Okay, next, flour. So tepung. Tepung pun kita tak boleh nak kira. Macam mana kita nak kira tepung? Sebab dia serbuk kan, tak boleh kira. Okay, next one, juice. Okay, juice. Okay, we can't count juice. Macam mana awak nak kira juice? Macam mana awak nak kira air? Okay, kita tak boleh nak pegang air tu untuk kira. Okay. Next, noodles. Okay, so noodles, kita pun tak boleh nak kira noodles. Okay, 1 noodle, 2 noodle. Okay, satu urat tu, so kita tak boleh nak kira lah. Okay, next, peas. Okay, kacang peas ni dia kecil-kecil kan, so tak boleh nak kira kacang peas. Alright. So the next lesson, okay, we are going to learn how to use there's and there are in a sentence. Okay, so there's we use for uncountable and singular noun. Okay, kita gunakan there's ni untuk benda yang tidak boleh dikira, uncountable, dan benda yang satu. Maksudnya satu benda sahaja. Singular. Singular. Satu. Okay. Alright. So, look at the example. Milk. Okay. Milk is uncountable. So, there's some milk. There's some milk. Okay. We use there's. There's some milk. Okay. Next. Jam. Okay, jam is also uncountable, so we use there's. There's some jam. There's some jam. Okay, next one. Chocolate. Okay, chocolate is countable. Dia boleh dikira coklat, tetapi it is singular. Dia ada satu sahaja. So, bila dia satu, we use there's. There's some chocolate. There's some chocolate. Okay, next. Watermelon. Okay, watermelon is countable. Boleh dikira watermelon. Tapi disebabkan dia singular, dia ada satu saja. So, we use there's. There's some watermelon. There's some watermelon. Alright, let's move on to there are. Okay. There are we use for countable and plural nouns. Okay, there are ni digunakan untuk benda yang boleh dikira dan benda tu dia banyak ataupun more than one. Plural is more than one, lebih dari satu. Okay, let's look at the example. Tomato. Okay, this is tomatoes. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes. Okay, so we have more than 1 tomatoes. Okay, so we're going to use there are. Okay, there are some tomatoes. There are some tomatoes. Okay, next. Egg. Okay, 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs. So we have more than 1 eggs. Okay, there are some eggs. There are some eggs. Okay, next example. Onions. Okay, we have more than 1 onions here. So, we are going to use there are. There are some onions. There are some onions. Okay, next one. Biscuit. Okay, we also have more than 1 biscuits here. So, we are going to use there are some biscuits. There are some biscuits. Okay. So, let's do some exercise. Alright. Okay, write the correct answer. So, you are going to write there's or there are in the blank. Okay, let's look at the first one. We have milk here. So, milk is uncountable. So, if the noun is uncountable, we are going to use there's. Okay, there's. Okay, number 2. Some carrots in the fridge. Okay, carrots. We have S here, carrot. So, it is more than 1. So, the carrots is more than 1. So, we're going to use there are. Okay, number 3. Some flour in the cupboard. Okay, flour. Tepung. So, flour is uncountable. So, we are going to use there's. Number 3. Some chocolate in the fridge. Okay, chocolate. Chocolate is countable, but it is singular. Okay, we have 1 chocolate. Kita ada satu saja coklat. So, we are going to use there's also. Okay, dia boleh dikira tetapi dia satu sahaja. So, we are going to use there's. Okay, number 5. Some sugar in the cupboard. Okay, sugar. Sugar is uncountable. Tidak boleh dikira. So, kita guna there's juga. Okay. Alright class, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you can understand what we have learned today. Don't forget to submit your exercise in the Google form. See you again. Bye.